this is your channel, Sosanasa 1 in English. I'm the electromechanical engineer Emmanuel, and now we're going to start a new video. And now I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter to measure voltage from this power outlet. This is very easy. Now I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Let's start. The first step is connect the test probe. These in my hand are the test probe. We use this to measure voltage, current, and everything we watch on the digital multimeter here. We use this test probe. And these metal parts are the ones that touch the things we want to measure or test. Current, voltage, and other things. This test probe we connect to the digital multimeter through this connector inside this point and inside this point. In this case, the black always connect here in common port, and the red, in this case, we are going to measure voltage, we connect here in voltage, ohms, milliamperes port. If we want to measure amperes, for example, in that case, we move this connector from this point to this point. But now we are going to measure voltage, and this connector in this position is correctly. This and this are correctly both. Okay, now we are going to power on the digital multimeter. This is very easy, only move the selector here, and now we are watching on the digital multimeter screen is on. Now choose the mode. This is very easy. Here is alternate current voltage. This mode is only for measure voltage from power outlets like this. Now is in the correct position. In this case, inside the mode, we watch these numbers. These numbers are voltage levels. This means, for example, if I move the selector and choose 200 volts, this means inside this mode, this digital multimeter will only measure from 0 volts to 200 volts. If I move the selector, now inside this mode, this digital multimeter will only measure voltage from 0 volts to 750 volts. In other words, these are voltage limits inside the mode. Now our digital multimeter is ready. The connectors are connected correctly, and this is the mode, and this is the voltage limit inside the mode. This means now I can measure voltage. For measure is very easy. Only take this and connect the test probe inside the power outlet in this way. Connect inside and watch the digital multimeter screen. Now we are watching 107 volts, more or less. This means, in this case, this voltage is low, is very low, because the normal voltage in the country I am is 115 volts, more or less. That is the normal voltage. But in this case, we are watching that this digital multimeter is measuring voltage from this power outlet. In this case, is measuring 107 volts. This voltage is low, is very low. In this case, we have a problem in the power supply that provides energy to this power outlet. In this case, something very important is here we haven't polarity. This means, for example, if I disconnect and connect again in other position, for example, we are watching on the digital multimeter screen a positive number. This means the black and the red don't matter here. I can connect this in this way, or I can connect this in other way. It's the same. It doesn't matter in this case. How I connect this? Okay. And in this way, we can measure the voltage from this power outlet using a digital multimeter like this. Something very important is be careful and never touch this part and this part with the fingers, while is this connected to the power. Always take with the hand and the finger, touch this part. This part only touch where the energy is. Never touch this part or this part with your finger. For example, never do this. Never introduce this in this way. Never. Always touch here and connect in this way. Okay, in this way, for example, is the same. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel, Sosanasa 1 in English, and share this video. Give me a like. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosanasa 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.